Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we will explore the intriguing field of electronics fabrication, with a particular focus on the advanced processes involved in electronics manufacturing. We'll be breaking down the key steps involved in this intricate process, and we'll be covering it in just a few words. So, let's get started. First up, we have the design phase. This is where the magic begins, as engineers create the blueprints for the electronic components. Once the design is complete, it's time to move on to the manufacturing process. This is where things get really interesting. The components are etched, lithographed, and patterned to create the intricate circuitry. Then, the components are assembled and tested to ensure they meet the highest standards of quality. And there you have it. A brief overview of the advanced electronics fabrication process. Thank you for joining us, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more technological insights.